This is Jaskaran Singh, zonal leader for the Punjab State GLTS India. We're talking about the GLTS, that is the Global Law Thinkers Society, a society that was registered under the Act of Bangladesh, a society that is operating in more than 100 countries in today's date, and a society that is a world record holder society. GLTS, that is Global Law Thinkers Society, is a multi-professional, non-political, non-profit networking organization that is operating in more than 100 countries in today's day. So basically, what is special about the GLTS? Its vision, that together we will build the better world. As it stands out on its vision, that how can we build a better world together? Under a lot of initiatives that have been taken under the GLTS, like the GLTS Yes Club, the GLTS Youth Cash, the GLTS Language Club, the GLTS TV. So what basically are all these initiatives that have been taken under the GLTS? All the initiatives that are taken under the GLTS are taken in order to empower the youth. Youth? Why youth? Basically because youth is the future for the tomorrow. If we will be training the youth for today, if the GLTS will be inheriting some sort of skills in the youth today, that will be able, on behalf of those skills, those youth will be able to gain certain good jobs or certain good future in their future. So basically, talking about the GLTS, yes, that is youth empowerment tool. You can contribute your skill or time or money or anything to all these GLTS initiatives. Now, if talking about how can you contribute your money in terms of GLTS, as a student you can contribute monthly US $10 and yearly an amount of US $50. And if we talk about if you are not a student, then you have to contribute monthly as an amount of $50 and basically an yearly amount of $400. So basically, in this way you can contribute some charity to the GLTS. Now, if you have to contribute some sort of skill to the GLTS, you can contribute that in terms of I would say, like I have already mentioned about the GLTS, yes, that is youth empowerment. Basically, what you can do on your part is you can join this GLTS Yes Club as an instructor or as a student only. Basically, you can teach the students about different things because we have to empower the youth. Talking about the GLTS Youth Cash, you can teach some skills to the students as an instructor, or you can join as a student and can be taught certain skills that can make you that can attain you financial freedom for future. You can join GLTS Language Club, where you will be taught different languages, but the different GLTS leaders that are located all across the world. As I already mentioned, that GLTS is in today's date is operating in more than 100 countries. So basically, these are some initiatives that are being taken under the GLTS, and most importantly, GLTS TV. All the initiatives that you will be taking, that will be live in case if you are organizing some sort of event, that will be live broadcasted on GLTS TV. Now, how is the hierarchy of the GLTS divided? Talking about the hierarchy or the leaders, like I am the zonal leader for the Punjab State in India. Basically, how the hierarchy is divided, starting from the above to the bottom. There are the GLTS continent leaders, there are GLTS country leaders, then zonal leaders, and then YCL, that stands for Youth Campus Leaders. So this is the basic hierarchy that is followed. As per the hierarchy that I mentioned, there is an executive board of the GLTS as well. That includes the advisory board, power board, and the executive board. Now, there are some other initiatives that are also taken under the GLTS to promote the SDGs, that is the 17 Sustainable Development Goals, like the World Women Force or the GUN, that is Green United Nations. So these are the major initiatives that are being taken under the GLTS. So as a leader, most important fact or the most important thing that I'm going to say right now is that what you have to contribute. How you can majorly contribute, apart from all those initiatives that I mentioned, that GLTS Yes or GLTS Youth Cash or GLTS Language Club, how can you contribute? As I already mentioned, that you can teach as an instructor in all these initiatives or all these GLTS initiatives, or basically, as I already mentioned this thing. And apart from that, you can organize any of the events that will be live broadcasted on the GLTS TV. Apart from all these things, even what you can do on your part is that you can just look at the society, what's all wrong is going into the society, and you can highlight those issues, and you can just inform the GLTS executive team that is sitting in the Bangladesh about all those issues, and you can organize certain events regarding those issues. Basically, you have to think about the society, because together we are on a vision to build a better world, and we can build a better world if we are thinking about the society. You can generate certain funds as well for the GLTAs. As I already mentioned that GLTAs is a charitable organization, and if you are just donating your skills, then you can generate some initiatives in which you can generate some funds for the GLTAs. So this was an all overview about the Global Law Thinkers Society. From my side, I wish all the best to the country leaders, all the YCL and all the global and all the zonal leaders. So basically, I'm wishing you all the best. Thank you so much.